When a corporation makes a distribution to its shareholder, the distribution is typically a dividend. However, in some circumstances, the distribution may be a return of capital or even gain to the shareholder. Let's say that individual A forms Corp X, and A contributes cash of $100 into Corp X when it is formed. Individual A starts off with a tax basis in Corp X shares of $100. Corp X is profitable every year and it earns $30 over 5 years. At the end of year 5, Corp X makes a cash distribution of $20 to A. Since Corp X has more than $20 of earnings and profits, the full amount of the distribution is treated as a dividend and the earnings and profits get reduced from $30 to $10. Let's change the facts a little and say that at the end of year 5, Corp X instead makes a cash distribution of $40. The first $30 is a dividend out of earnings and profits, reducing the earnings and profits. The remaining $10 is applied against and reduces A's basis in the Corp X shares. After the distribution, Corp X has 0 earnings and profits, and A's basis in the shares is $90. Let's say in year 6, Corp X earns $10. This would push the earnings and profits up from 0 to $10. Let's also assume that Corp X makes a distribution of $120. It would be quite unusual for this size of a distribution to occur, but it could occur if the value of Corp X's assets had dramatically appreciated and Corp X had borrowed against those assets to make the distribution. So again, Corp X has current year earnings and profits of $10 and makes a distribution of $120. The first $10 is a dividend out of earnings and profits, the next $90 is a return of basis, and the remaining $20 is gain from the sale or exchange of stock. Typically, shares of stock held by an individual are capital assets, thus the distribution in excess of basis would typically generate capital gain.